What if I told you that the biggest reason your houseplants are turning yellow, dropping leaves, or dying has nothing to do with fertilizer, sunlight, or expensive soil? The shocking truth is that nearly everyone makes the same watering mistake. In fact, overwatering kills more indoor plants than almost any other care mistake. Even experienced plant lovers can unknowingly damage healthy roots simply by watering on a fixed schedule. If you've ever wondered why your snake plant, Monstera, peace lily, Pothos, or ZZ plant looks unhealthy despite your best efforts, this video could completely change the way you care for plants forever. Today, you'll discover the simple watering secrets professional growers use to keep houseplants thriving year after year. These methods are easy, cost nothing, and can dramatically improve your plant's health. Before you grab your watering can again, watch until the end, because mistake number 7 surprises almost everyone. And fixing it could save every plant in your home. Let's reveal why 99% of people water houseplants the wrong way, and learn the smarter way that plants actually love. Section 1. Stop watering on a schedule. The number one mistake people make is watering every Monday, every weekend, or every few days, simply because it's on their calendar. Plants don't own calendars. They respond to changing conditions like temperature, humidity, sunlight, airflow, and seasonal growth. During summer, a plant may need water twice as often as it does in winter. A sunny room dries soil much faster than a shaded corner. Even two identical plants sitting in different locations can have completely different watering needs. Instead of following a schedule, always check the soil first. Push your finger about 2 inches into the soil. If it still feels moist, wait another day or two before watering. You can also lift the pot. Dry soil feels surprisingly light, while moist soil feels much heavier. This simple habit prevents root rot and keeps roots healthy. Remember, watering based on the plant's needs instead of your routine is one of the easiest ways to grow stronger, greener, and happier houseplants. Section 2. Water deeply, not just a little. Many people give their plants only a tiny splash of water because they worry about overwatering. Ironically, this creates another problem. Light watering only wets the top layer of soil, while the lower roots stay dry. Healthy roots grow deep, so they need moisture throughout the entire pot. When you water, do it thoroughly until water begins draining from the holes at the bottom of the container. This ensures every root receives moisture. After watering, empty the drainage tray so the roots are never sitting in standing water. Constantly wet roots lose oxygen and eventually rot. Deep watering also encourages stronger root systems because roots grow throughout the pot instead of remaining near the surface. This makes plants more resilient during hot weather and temporary dry periods. One deep watering, followed by allowing the soil to partially dry, is much healthier than frequent tiny sips of water. Section 3. Learn each plant's personality. Not every houseplant enjoys the same amount of water. A snake plant and ZZ plant store water inside their thick leaves and stems, allowing them to survive long dry periods. Watering them too frequently is often deadly. On the other hand, Peace lilies and ferns appreciate more consistent moisture and will quickly show drooping leaves when thirsty. Tropical plants like Monstera and Philodendron prefer evenly moist soil, but still dislike soggy conditions. Understanding your plant's natural habitat helps you provide the right care. Desert plants evolved to survive drought, while rainforest plants are adapted to regular moisture and humid air. Before watering any plant, learn what environment it naturally comes from. This small amount of knowledge prevents countless mistakes and allows every species to thrive according to its own needs, instead of treating every houseplant exactly the same. Section 4. Watch the seasons. Plants grow actively during spring and summer, meaning they absorb more water for producing leaves, stems, flowers, and roots. As autumn arrives and daylight decreases, growth slows naturally. During winter, many houseplants enter a resting period and require much less water than they did during the warmer months. Unfortunately, many people continue watering at the same frequency all year long. This keeps the soil constantly wet while the roots are barely using any moisture. The result is yellow leaves, root rot, fungus gnats, and unhealthy plants. Pay attention to seasonal changes and adjust your watering routine accordingly. During winter, always check soil moisture before watering and expect longer intervals between waterings. Simply following your plant's natural growth cycle can dramatically improve its health without buying any special products. Section 5. Use the right watering technique. Pouring water quickly onto one side of the pot isn't enough. Water should be distributed slowly and evenly around the entire surface so every root receives moisture. Watering too fast often causes dry potting mix to repel water, allowing it to run straight down the sides without soaking the soil. If your soil has become extremely dry, water slowly. Pause for a minute, then water again. This allows the soil to absorb moisture properly. Room temperature water is generally safer than ice-cold water because sudden temperature changes can stress sensitive roots. Morning watering is also beneficial because plants have the entire day to absorb moisture before cooler nighttime temperatures arrive. Small improvements in technique often make a huge difference in plant health. Section 6. Choose pots with drainage. One of the biggest secrets to healthy houseplants isn't the fertilizer, it's the pot. Containers without drainage holes trap excess water at the bottom, leaving roots submerged for days. Even if you're careful, extra water has nowhere to escape. Always choose pots with drainage holes whenever possible. Decorative cache pots are perfectly fine, but keep the plant inside a nursery pot that drains properly. After watering, remove any excess water from the decorative container before placing the plant back inside. Good drainage allows oxygen to reach the roots while preventing dangerous water buildup. Healthy roots are the foundation of every beautiful plant, and proper drainage is one of the easiest ways to protect them. Section 7. Read your plant's signals. Your plant constantly tells you whether it's happy or stressed. You simply need to know how to read the signs. Yellow leaves often indicate overwatering, while dry brown edges may suggest underwatering or low humidity. Drooping leaves can mean either too much or too little water. So always check the soil before reacting. Mushy stems, foul-smelling soil, or fungus gnats usually point to excessive moisture. Wrinkled leaves on succulents often mean it's finally time to water. By observing these natural signals instead of guessing, you'll become much more confident as a plant parent. Every watering becomes a thoughtful decision instead of a habit, and your plants will reward you with healthier growth, stronger roots, and vibrant new leaves. Now you know why so many people accidentally harm their houseplants with the best intentions. Remember these simple rules. Never water on a schedule. Always check the soil first. Water deeply with proper drainage. Adjust watering for different seasons. Understand each plant's unique needs. Use the correct watering technique and learn to read your plant's signals. These easy changes can completely transform the health of your indoor garden without spending extra money. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more expert indoor plant advice, and leave a comment below telling us which watering mistake surprised you the most. Share this video with a fellow plant lover, because one simple tip could save their favorite houseplant. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video where we'll uncover even more secrets to growing beautiful, thriving houseplants all year long.